In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Auckland. We'll be using the New Zealand Police Payments page, which provides the official instructions for paying an infringement through internet banking. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to enter the payment details correctly so your payment can be matched to your ticket without delays. Start by going to the NZ Police Payments page. Once you're on the main content area of the page, take a moment to read the section about paying by internet banking. This page explains the accepted payment method and gives you the details you'll need before you log into your bank. After that, open your banking app or sign in through your bank's website. In the Payee search, look for Police Infringement Bureau or NZ Police, listed as Police Infringement Bureau. In many cases, this is the easiest option because the payee information may already be set up within your bank system. If you prefer, you can also make a one-off payment manually using the account details shown on the NZ Police website. The account name to use is Police Infringement Bureau or New Zealand Police. The account number listed on the page should be entered exactly as shown there. When entering manual bank details, accuracy matters, so it's a good idea to double-check everything before submitting the payment. Next, make sure you include the required references exactly as instructed. In the particulars field, enter the notice number from your traffic ticket. In the code field, enter the vehicle registration number. In the reference field, you can enter your driver license number, although this part is optional. These reference fields are especially important because they help the Police Infringement Bureau identify your payment and apply it to the correct notice. If the references are missing or entered incorrectly, your payment may take longer to match, so it's worth reviewing them carefully before you confirm the transfer. Also, be sure to read the important section on the website. It explains that payments made to the Police Infringement Bureau can take up to 48 hours to process from the time of payment, as long as all the information provided is accurate and complete. That means even if the money leaves your account right away, it may not show as processed immediately on their end. So, to recap, go to the official NZ Police Payments page, review the internet banking instructions, log into your bank, search for the correct payee, or enter the one-off payment details manually, and make sure your notice number, vehicle registration number, and optional driver license reference are entered correctly. Once that's done, submit your payment and allow up to 48 hours for processing.